Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how SONOFF can be configured. So I bought this from Banggood and it cost me around 728 rupees per piece, and if you buy it like 5 piece with a bulk order, so it will gonna cost you around 650 rupees something. So let's see what's inside this package. So in this you will get this kind of wire, I think wire winder you can say, which will make it stable wire inside when you like attach it. And other than that you will get the device itself, and in order to like use it you need to open this thing and then place the wire on it. So I have already stripped the wires according to my own thing. So you will be needing 4 wires. So the idea is I will be just attaching this like this, and then I will use some female plugs to attach to my other devices. So guys who are new to this, this is a Alexa device which makes any device into Alexa enabled device, and this is the RF one. So this is RF R3 version. With this sorry, I think I lost it, like I dropped it. Okay, it's working. So this thing is like if you plug it in, it can be plugged in the tubes, fans and any other appliances which is used by this. So I can even like attach this drill plug to this using female plugs. So let's just try to open it and see how it can be wired up. So I have unscrewed this, and there is a trick in order to open it. So this particular model which I have bought has very delicate button, so do mind that before opening it. So it has a hinge here, and as well as here where actually the screw is situated. So you need to be very careful while doing that. So as you can see, this is some clamp, and then after loose this side, and you need to do the same thing from here as well. I don't know why they make it like that, but it takes some time. So in my last attempt I actually kind of broke it, so I'm still not getting used to it, but that is the only option. Don't try to open it like that, because the base of the device is here. So when you open it, it will going to like drop it against in the direction of the gravity, and it will gonna affect this button. So do mind that. Okay, so I think I found the trick. So just try to open it from here and slide your nail up to here, so it will lose one side, and you should be able to open it like that. So this is the device, it is antenna. So I think we should be able to do in a much better way. And something came off while attempting this. I don't know from where. I think it is broke from this side. So as you can see, this is how delicate they have made this time. So always mind before using it. And now I will plug the wire on these ports and on these ports. So I have attached the wire from one side. So it just you need to just slide it in after loosening this, and when you put it inside, then you need to tight the screws. So I will do it on this side as well. So while you are preparing the wire, you can sorry about the focus, you can have this much wire and you can just twist it like that, so it will be like this long, and then you can twist it and then you can bend it so that it will securely get settled inside the hole. So then you can just place it like this. I think I need to lose the screws a little bit and then try to slide it inside it. So I think I need to flat this a little bit more, but it seems very thick and it is not able to get inside it. So you need to make it thick and then try to slide this inside this. Okay, now it's already inside, and then you can just screw this up. And don't forget to add this particular adjustments on top of the screw. So what it will do is it will provide a stable base to these wires and it will not going to move around like this. So the way you can do is you need to place your this particular section in this way, and you can see it is now looks nice, and it will not going to move left to right. So there are 4 screws, so 2 will be used here and 2 will be used here. So now I have placed one screw, so I'm also tightening this another screw. So you don't have to like go all the way, you can just try to move it. If it is not like moving, then it should be fine. You don't have to like tight in a hardest way. So now our device is ready, and because of this particular section there is another benefit, like if you can see there is some point, so this whole bolt can be taken out from this particular case. So in order to secure this bolt always stays like this, you need to apply this. So wire plus this will going to keep it secure inside this particular casing. So that is another use of using this. So it is not just for wire, it is also for the motherboard as well. So after doing that, always make sure that this will be pointing in the same position, and don't try to force this because it is very delicate. As you can see, it's very delicate, and they have just used very simple soldering mechanism. So if it is came off, there is no way you can put it back. So now I will just going to assemble this again, and you need to make sure that it is visible here, and then you will hear some click noise, and then all you need to do is just tighten the screw. So this particular section came out on this from this section, and because of that I am not able to tighten the screw, but that is fine because it will just stay like this in most of my device, so I don't have to worry about that. It will going to like open it up on like by itself. So that's it for this. And always after assembling it, make sure that you are able to like press this, because this is the only way you can like pair this to RF devices and reset the devices. So this is RF based, so it can be used with Alexa as well as SONOFF Sun on and off app, and also you can configure RF remotes or switches in order to use it. So it can pair I think almost 16 different switches. So it is like very good for offline purpose as well, if you wants to apply some RF based button onto the wall. So when internet is not working, you can still use it using the RF frequency. So that's it from my side, and I think all the things come out really nice, and I have ordered 5 of them. So I have like assembled all of them in the same way, and yeah, that's it I think. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this particular product, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.